Renovating your home is exciting, but once the dust settles, a new challenge begins: the clean up. Post-renovation cleaning isn't just about tidying up. It's about restoring your home's comfort, safety, and shine after weeks, sometimes months, of mess. And the truth is, this final phase can be even more demanding than the renovation itself. That's why a comprehensive cleaning checklist is essential. Let's walk through everything you need to do after your renovation, so you don't miss a spot and your home feels truly finished. First up, dust. Dust gets everywhere, and we mean everywhere. Even if only one part of your home was renovated, dust travels. It settles into carpets, clings to surfaces, and floats through the air long after construction is done. The best approach? Clean in 2 rounds. Dust everything once right after the work finishes, and again a few days later once the airborne particles have settled. Use strong vacuums and microfiber cloths to lift dust from corners, carpets, shelves, and vents. Don't forget to clean surrounding rooms, even those untouched by the renovation. Next, debris and waste. Construction sites leave behind all kinds of rubble, from small bits of insulation and wires to large drywall sheets and timber offcuts. If you haven't already, make sure a dumpster is booked and on site. Place garbage bins strategically around the space and clean as you go to reduce hazards. Use heavy-duty trash bags for lightweight materials and stronger bins for heavier waste like broken wood or tiles. The right receptacles will make your cleanup faster and safer. Then, turn your attention to the air vents. Dust and debris collect in floor and ceiling vents during construction. Before turning your HVAC back on, vacuum the vents thoroughly, or better yet, hire professionals to clean the ducts and check airflow. This is especially important if anyone in the home has allergies or breathing sensitivities. Now onto windows and walls. Windows are obvious, clean the glass, sills and seals with care. But walls? They're often overlooked. A quick wipe with a damp cloth on an extendable handle can remove the fine dust that settles on freshly painted surfaces. The same applies to ceilings. Dust and debris rise during renovations and stick to ceiling surfaces. Use your wall cleaning method here too, and give extra attention to ceiling fans and light fixtures, which collect dust quickly. Don't neglect the details. Door frames and baseboards are dust magnets. During your deep clean, run a cloth along every trim and edge. These subtle touches make a big difference in the final presentation of your home. What about kitchens, bathrooms, and adjoining rooms? Even if these spaces weren't renovated, they likely got dirty. Bathrooms and kitchens often double as shared areas for workers or residents during a build. That means they're just as dusty, if not more. Sanitize all surfaces, wipe down cabinetry, clean under and behind appliances, and disinfect high-touch spots like handles and switches. Extend your cleanup beyond the work zone for a consistent, fresh result across your entire home. Finally, don't underestimate the value of bringing in professional post-renovation cleaners. Paint splatter, scuff marks, hidden dust, and carpet stains can all linger, even after your best efforts. A trained cleaning team has the tools and expertise to tackle what you can't see and leave your space spotless. At Now It's Clean, our teams specialise in deep post-renovation cleans across Toronto. From dust extraction to debris disposal and stain removal, we cover it all, with meticulous attention to detail. Take advantage of our $50 first-time client offer and let us handle the hardest part of your renovation, the cleanup.